Hi everybody, we're back for a quick little video. I had a little package come from the Chic Sparrow. You can see it's something tiny, and since I've recently moved into something a little bit larger, this and pocket size, as you can see from my last video, I wanted to get a little bit something different for my wallet. And I've had a bunch of these in the past, but I had sold them and I wanted something a little bit smaller for my wallet. So you can see I got the cute little sticker and the lovely card. I'm just pulling this out to remind me of the leather I ordered. Okay. So, you can see it is nano-sized. It's tiny. And I got, ooh, look how pretty. This is the Eastwood leather. And some of the card holders. Look how beautiful. Excuse me. Does it have a smell? It doesn't really smell, this leather. This is the leather that was used for the E-class notebooks when those were new. One thing that's so interesting is in the previous unboxing, you saw I had 2 second chance and they looked perfect and brand new. And of course, every leather is different, but this one has some interesting markings, and I wonder if it's the nature of the leather. And it's also a very shiny leather, and it feels like it's oil. Like it's very not oily, but it feels very smooth. That's what I'm trying to say. Like it might have a oily or a wax coating or something on it. It's very pretty. I was wanting to get a nano in like the Americano or the chai or something like that, but those were no longer available. So I went with the next best color, and it was this. It's beautiful. So I won't put it together because I mean it's just gonna have like driver's license and credit cards and that type of stuff in there. But for those that wanted to know, in here I got 2 of the ID holders. Now they used to have one that like came like 2 or 3 of these together. But I don't know, something happened to those. I wonder, you know, with everything going on with COVID, that they're having, you know, supplier issues. So I'll have my driver's license, my IDs, and room for cash. And also something that I have, I do have these. I got these, gosh, years ago now. Excuse me. I got these from Keely Reichman years ago. This one, you'll see, has 4 slots. And then this one has like her traditional slot, a folder, and then a little zipper. I was thinking this one might be the better one to use, but this one might be for the micro size dog hair. It works. Or I could use a jump elastic. I think this one is the one that's meant for the Nano. I think the other one is meant for the Foxy Fix number 0 or micro. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see what I end up going with. This one's just a little bit too big. So there, that is what I had in my little package today from Chic Sparrow. I will link their shop below, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks! Bye-bye! Excusez-moi, mademoiselle. Excusez-moi, Lala. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Lala. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Merci.